In number sense problems number 41 to 50, another thing that they ask for is angles. Angles are like, well, you have to know a bit about them before you can answer the question. There's two types that they ask for on the test: exterior and interior. Let's talk about exterior angles first. 360 divided by the number of sides, so let's call that n. So 360 divided by the number of sides gives you one of the exterior angle. And you also have to know that one exterior angle plus one interior angle is equal to 180 degrees, always. So using this knowledge, TMSEA sometimes gives a question that says, well, if the interior angle is equal to 135 degrees, how many sides does that polygon have? To use this, we have to figure out what the exterior angle is, and we can use the thing that exterior plus interior is 180. So because the interior is 135 degrees, the exterior has to be 45. And using that 360 divided by n is equal to the exterior angle, you can just do 360 divided by the exterior angle, or 45 in this case, is equal to the number of sides. Well, 360 divided by 45 is equal to 8, and there are 8 sides in this polygon. Another thing that they ask for, some cases, they ask for the sum of all interior angles. And they ask for the sum of all of the exterior angles as well. Let's do the exterior first. If 360 divided by the number of sides gives you the exterior angles, then the sum of all exterior angles is 360 degrees. Always, no matter what, the sum of all the exterior angles is 360 degrees. And the sum of all of the interior angles is a formula. The formula is n minus 2 times 180. If you take that n is the number of sides. Let's try this on 11, for example. If they ask you what what is the sum of all interior angles for an 11-sided polygon, you do 11 minus 2 is 9 times 180. And that's pretty easy, right? So you just do 9 times 18 and put the 0 at the end. So 9 times 18 is 162. 1,620 degrees. And that's how many interior angles there are. That's the sum of all the interior angles in this 11-sided polygon. And that's it. Easy as that. It might be a bit hard at first, but they do tend to ask this often, so I'd suggest you practice it. And good luck with your score.